Hi guys, this is Divanshu from Team Scrapingdog, and this is a small workflow which converts YouTube shorts into a LinkedIn post using the Scrapingdog's YouTube Transcript API. So you have to give this workflow the YouTube shorts link, and this will create a LinkedIn post for your channel. So if you are a content creator who builds videos on YouTube, automation can be helpful or handy for you. Let's understand this whole automation one by one, and that way you will be able to create one for yourselves. And if you need the blueprint for this automation, I'll provide it in the description section in YouTube, or if you're watching it somewhere else, I'll provide it in the comments. So as always, the first node is a trigger, which I have kept to schedule trigger. You can keep it manual or by chat. The second node is get rows in a sheet. We are taking the YouTube a link from this particular sheet. This is the column where we'll be fetching link from. And then the third node is limit. I am keeping it to 1. So if by any chance I have more than one link over here, the workflow only takes only one of the link. And then we are converting that YouTube link to a video ID simply. What the video ID is, so suppose this is a YouTube link, the video ID will be here, D9ZJI. Although we can keep directly it in our whole workflow, but I am using a code over here that converts the video link into the video ID, which then is used by our API. As you can see that these are the two necessary parameters to use this API. V is again the video ID that we are getting from the code node over here. So this YouTube API, which is from Scrapingdog, converts a YouTube video into the transcript, and you get transcript in this format. So once that we get transcript, we split them out because the data is in array, and then we aggregate it to one, and then into one large text paragraph, which we call string, and then we'll send all the string to our AI module where we have some system prompt and a user prompt. The system prompt is very simple. I have kept it very simple that you are a LinkedIn copywriter. You have to make the LinkedIn post from the paragraph you get, and this is the user prompt that I am giving, wherein I am giving the transcript received from my previous node and giving some context. I am giving the video URL also because I want the video URL in the end of my post also. So these are some of the other parameters that I have, other prompts that I have given. And finally, it gets posted on our LinkedIn. Once it gets posted on LinkedIn, our sheet also gets updated. The LinkedIn URL comes over here, which we can directly check with the date that when the LinkedIn URL or the LinkedIn post is being posted. So let's run this automation. Just one more thing over here in this node, I have a filter that says if the LinkedIn URL from my Google Sheet is empty, then only run this whole workflow further. Otherwise, it will stop over here only. This filter is necessary to avoid creating the LinkedIn post for the videos that I have already made, because once I make the LinkedIn post, my sheet gets updated in the very end. So if the sheet is updated, my workflow will stop over here. It will pick the next line or next row from the workflow. Okay, I'll execute the workflow and see what post it makes for us. So our workflow has started running. So it has completed and the workflow has created the post. Let's check our Google Sheet, and then we can see that we have a URL over here. Let's copy this URL and paste it. As you can see, that post has been posted from our official channel, and there is a link to our video back to from this post. The sheet has also recorded the date for which it has been posted, and this way you can build or repurpose your content on other platforms like LinkedIn. If you're creating videos for YouTube, you can repeat the whole process for YouTube video also. To automate this process, you have to use the YouTube Transcript API. You can use Scrapingdog's API. We give you 1000 free credits to test this API. If you need any help to help you integrate the YouTube Transcript API into your workflow, mail us at info@scrapingdog.com. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.